This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. Big news from MailChimp, one of the largest small business email platforms out there. We are planning to be acquired by Intuit, says the company's CEO and co-founder. Together, they'll be able to deliver an innovative small business growth engine powered by marketing automation, customer relationship management, accounting and compliance, payments and expenses, and e-com solutions, creating a single source of truth for your business. He also said that combining their marketing platform with Intuit QuickBooks AI-driven expert platform will allow us to create products and services that solve our customers' biggest challenges so you can thrive. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.